Cornwall Council and the Council of the Isles of Scilly both declared a climate emergency in 2019, with a commitment to becoming carbon neutral by 2030. The councils are working with partners across our areas to address infrastructure requirements to support this ambition. And we will continue to embed carbon neutral aims into our strategies and policies, and our governance and decision making. Across Cornwall and the Isles of Scilly, businesses of all sizes are looking at how they can be more sustainable.
I think everyone has a part to play in the climate emergency, whether they can do something personally at home or whether it's something that they can do as part of their business or their work environment. So we've designed the building so that it has natural ventilation, excellent insulation, thermal solar, so heating the water naturally, grey water harvesting, and built sustainably. We carbon balanced the business. We measured our carbon footprint. Anything that may create carbon in your business, we work with the World Land Trust to offset that carbon. We have an automated extraction system that takes away all paper waste, and therefore 100% of our paper is recycled and used as high-grade virgin paper in recycled paper. It's a fairly easy thing to do in a business. There's quite a lot of help out there to help businesses to make a difference.